Hey guys, in this video we're going to restore an Athearn Blue Box SD40-2 to operating condition. I acquired this locomotive from one of our local hobby shops. As you can see, there is some water damage to the locomotive. This has caused some of the wheels to develop rust. Fortunately, the lid kept the water away from the engine and the interior. But as you can see, the exterior of the lid is filthy. We'll start with some WD-40 and a little bit of oil. The first thing we're going to do is spray the WD-40 on the rusted out wheels. It's important to let it sit for a while to let it soak in. After I let it soak for about 45 minutes, I took a Q-tip and really worked out some of the rust. After I removed the rust from the wheels, I put some WD-40 on one of my siding tracks. I then ran the engine back and forth to further clean the wheels and run out the kinks. It's important that after you're done with this step that you clean the rails. You don't want the locomotive to track the WD-40 around the layout. Now that the chassis has been cleaned, we can move on to washing the lid. The lid is being washed in a water-Dawn solution. You only need a few drops of soap to get the job done. An old toothbrush will come in handy to get the dirt out of tight spaces on the front of the locomotive and also on the top. As you can see, our cab cleaned up very nicely. After some very simple TLC, we have a nice, clean, well-running engine.